I had to put the customer shoes in East Sussex. I had to put the customer in East Sussex with fucking shoes again. Really pisses me off, man. Do people know what they're bloody doing? From that way. From the way, that way.
That way.
Around. Tell you what.
The train didn't have a Bayford.
The train? Crossing, you mean?
Crossing, I meant.
Where's my shoes?
Harvey gets annoyed when the railway station does
that. Train behind my cover, straight behind. I know which one to film, I don't know where. No, I might find the 377 coming. I'm gonna get the 377.
Oh, you idiotic phone!
The train miles away, yeah, you can get it on camera.
Oh, what? Hang on, I need to delete a video.
What? Yeah, she is a full coach service, I think.
This morning, like Harvey, I felt like I was going to pass out.
What?
Literally, I had a really banging headache.
Yeah, I've got
I'm
it.
not going to call anymore, I think. Yeah, anyway.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Are you gonna wait till it closes?
I've turned my phone off for it.
I'm gonna say I might not record anything for a bit. Oh, shit, stop and shit, I put it done way too early. Oh my god. Oh, she's slowly coming past that. No, she's slowly coming past that. Right. She's slowly coming past.
I can't get away.
No, stopping. Why? Just why? Put the caution down that early.
This is my cousin getting really annoyed at the gates.
I'm not getting annoyed. Can you look behind as the train comes? This is someone with 9. What? What?
I said sorry. Sorry. No train's coming that way.
Could just have one pass then, because the train got at Berwick. No, train's not. Train's at all. I think it should be in there. There she comes. Son of a bourbon. Don't mind.
Why?
No, because there's people watching.
I'll do what?
Facing someone with 9. You're too late. You're under the bloody thing now. Facing someone with 9 to or. Oh, there you go. I think I'll finish the video.